video where we are going to check about the scheme for evaluation, that is your paper pattern, and the marking scheme for the subject information technology, and it is the video only for commerce stream. So let's move ahead and check what is the scheme for evaluation. So for your term 1 examination, there will be 50 marks and the time limit will be for 2.5 hours. And the portion for the examination, it will be half of the syllabus, that is any 3 topics. And it will be the theory pattern which the exam will be taken at college level only. Now the prelims will be for 80 marks and 2.5 hour time you will have. It will include complete syllabus, your full syllabus, and it will be again theory at college level. Now, out of 80 marks, 60 marks will be based on the objective content and 20 marks will be for subjective content. So, what we need to remember that out of 80 marks, 60 marks are for objective and 20 marks are for subjective content. Now, preliminary practicals exam will be there. So, practical exam, which will be the prelim practical, it will have 20 marks. The exam will be for 3 hours and it will be based on the practicals which are conducted during the academic year, and it will be at college level itself. When it will be for HSC board examination, theory examination, so it will be for 80 marks and time limit will be 2.5 hours. It will include full syllabus and it will be online exam. You know, as per the norms of Maharashtra State Higher Secondary Board examination, the timetable will be displayed and accordingly you will have online examination for board IT subject. Now here also it will be the same, like 80 marks, it will be divided into 60 marks for objective content and 20 marks for subjective content. Now board practicals, that is HSC board practicals will be for 20 marks, out of which it will be for 3 hours, and the practicals which are conducted during this, the same will be here, it is practical conducted during the academic year will be asked, will be taken for board examination practicals also. And this exam is also at college level into your computer lab itself. Here the note and instructions are given. As per that, the practical examination will be conducted. Now let's move ahead. What is the pattern, question paper pattern for IT subject for commerce stream? Now it is for term 1, so terminal examination which will be for 50 marks. So for 50 marks the bifurcation is as like for first question will be fill in the blanks. There will be 5 questions and it will have 5 marks. Second will be true or false. Again 5 question, 5 marks. Then MCQ, single answer, multiple choice, single answer, 10. It will be having 10 marks. Then multiple choice, 2 correct answer. It will be 5. It will carry 10 marks. Then again 3 correct answer. There will be only 2 questions which will carry 6 marks. Then the 6th question will be for match the following, where questions will be 4 and marks will be 4. Then it will come for your programming part. So here write a program using HTML. It will be having one or question also. Here you will have 2 choices. So there will be 2 questions and those questions will have 5 each marks. Then 5 marks. Then again the complete question, these 2 questions will be having again or question as the B part. See, it is the A or A, it will be here B or B. So there will be 2 programs where there will be 2 questions again and these 2 questions will have 5 marks. So accordingly it will be the question paper pattern for your terminal examination which will be conducted at college level itself and which will carry 50 marks. Now here the chapter suggested for term 1 paper, that is chapter 1, 2 and 4. So these are the suggestions which are given by board for terminal examination. Now let's move ahead for the pattern of 80 marks. So it will be the same pattern for your final examination or preliminary examination. Practice papers, it will be for 80 marks and it will be online examination when it will be for board. So let's move ahead and check the first question, fill in the blanks. Here it will be 10 questions for 10 marks. True false, again 10 for 10 marks. Multiple choice single answer, 10 for 10. Then 2 correct answer, 10, which will have 20 marks. then 3 correct answers, 2 which will have 6 marks. Then match the following 4, 4. Yes, questions will be 4 and the marks will be 4. Then answer briefly, it will be having question any 5, it will be having 8 questions. Out of those 8 questions, you will need to attempt any 5 questions. So 5 2 ja 10. So it will be 10 marks over here. And the last question, 8 question, it will be based on the programming skills. So it will be HTML program. So this program, this question will have to will carry 5 marks or will be the one same question will be the one for 2 questions and 5 marks. So accordingly, it will be the paper for 80 marks, which will be having total time for 2.5 hours, and the pattern is as this. Now with this new circular, there are even the practical examination instructions also. So if you want this, it will be available into the description box with the link also, and this will give you the description for how the marks are divided for practical examination, how 20 marks are divided for practical examination. And similarly, if you would like to check for the weightage or mark distribution, so topic wise mark distribution, that is your first chapter, it will be having 20 marks, with option it will be 30. Digital marketing second chapter, it will be having marks 15, with option also 15. Then accounting and GST 15, with option it will be 70. E-commerce and e-governance, so marks 10, with option it will be 12. Database concept 10, 10 marks 10, with option also it is 10. And ERP marks are 10, with option it will be 12. So altogether with option you will be having paper of 96 marks, and it will be the one which will be without option compulsory for 80 marks. And it is like weightage for objective. Here you can check for the types of question, objective question, short answer and long answer. So 60, as I said, 60 plus 20 combination, 60 will be objective type and 20 will be subjective type. So accordingly it will be there. Then 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, as per the marks, there is a distribution for 80 marks. So students, this is about your information technology subject, commerce stream, which is having 499, and it is about the whole weightage for your IT paper. Thanks for watching and keep updated with all the videos by subscribing the channel. Thank you.